In a world where the future is written in code, in the heart of Chicago public schools, the transformation is underway, where teachers are not just educators, but guardians of innovation. They stand ready to share their knowledge and inspire their colleagues. Their mission, to ignite a spark of curiosity in every educator who walks through their door. Together, they will showcase the power of collaboration and the limitless potential of education to unleash the power within each student. Because in the epic saga of learning, heroes aren't just found in textbooks. They're found in the classrooms of Chicago public schools.